This heavy-duty semi-trailer is comprehensively outfitted with a sophisticated VSE hydraulic steering system, and it also features its own dedicated handheld remote control unit. For executing complex, low-speed navigational maneuvers, the system is first activated by simply pressing the on button. Right at this moment, I am manually steering the trailer wheels directly using the remote control. Now I am carefully turning them back the other way to demonstrate the precision. There you go, it works perfectly. I no longer have any need to manually operate the remote control. Instead, I simply press the off button on the interface, and the system immediately and automatically begins to align itself perfectly with the tractor's fifth wheel assembly with great precision. To prepare the semi-trailer for loading and unloading, the first thing to do is to fully lower the suspension.